Boeing aircrafts are engineering marvels, right? Let's dive into the iconic 737 MAX. This beauty is designed for efficiency, with a range that can take you across continents. Now, check out the Boeing 777. It's known for its spacious cabin and long-haul capabilities, perfect for those long flights. And then we have the 787 Dreamliner. This one's all about comfort and fuel efficiency. Did you know it uses composite materials? Finally, the 707X is the latest in the lineup. With its folding wingtips, it's a game changer. Which Boeing aircraft is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.